Hello everyone! Welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. I am in Hawaii, exiting my friend's house in Oahu, and we are heading towards the beach. They live on the beach, and we're gonna go explore all the different beaches here. Sadly, we are leaving tomorrow to go back home. This week flew by so quickly, but I'm glad that you were able to explore Hawaii with me. Like this video to show your support and click subscribe. We just got back from brunch and it was delicious. We had brunch in a hotel. I had avocado toast, thin pancakes that I dipped in a maple syrup butter. Yum! Look at this beautiful beach. The water is turquoise. It is teal. What's another blue color?
Scuba blue.
A what?
Scuba blue.
Scuba blue.
Emerald blue.
I need to make sure that I don't get my camera wet, so I'm walking on the sand instead of in the water. The water temperature is absolutely perfect. It's much warmer here than it was in Kauai. There's a lot more people out here today, probably because they're not working. It's July 4th, which is a holiday, so people are relaxing and having a long weekend. Do you know what it means to have a long weekend? It means that you are off of work or not working Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And 4th of July this year happens to be on a Friday. Oh, look at this dog! So a lot of people are taking a long weekend, maybe doing a short trip somewhere. Look at this dog! I've seen a lot of dogs playing catch, or you could also say that they're playing fetch. These people are throwing a football around. Looks like this girl is gonna go surfing. The waves are pretty consistent today. Consistent in their height and speed. There's a lot of people out right now boogie boarding. We have a big party here, hanging out under the tents. They're probably all locals, probably born and raised here. These dogs love running on the beach. The ocean here is way better than the ocean in Los Angeles. Oh, look at this dog. I think it's... The dog is chasing the bird. Wow. Most people, when they're on boogie boards, they wear a wetsuit or a rash guard, actually. Rash guard would be the better term, which is a thin shirt that you wear to protect your body from the board. A wetsuit, on the other hand, is the full body suit that you zip into to go surfing, and it keeps you warm. Did you know that the plural form of footprint is not feetprint? It's footprints. Footprints. And there's lots of different sizes of footprints here. I saw some paw prints earlier from the dog. I would say these waves are shallow. Shallow is the opposite of deep. Right now we are walking towards a beach that my friend said has a lot of influencers because it's one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. We're not there yet, but we'll be there soon. If you enjoyed this lesson, please share it with your friends. I will see you in the next episode. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Bye!